Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Arafat, and we are going to discuss a very important 20 MCQs of chapter 9, 10 for first year class. Now here come to the first MCQs, that is cosec 90 pi by 2 plus theta, it is equals to what? Here we have a formula sine alpha plus beta, it is equals to sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sine beta. So here we have to apply the formula and then we will take out the value of cosec alpha. So this is sine pi upon 2 plus theta. So just here we have to put the value of alpha, it is pi by 2, beta is theta. So this is sine 90, that is pi by 2, cos theta, cos 90, 90 means pi by 2, and sine theta. So this is sine 90 means 1, that is cos theta, cos 90 is 0 into sine theta, and this is cos theta. So here, dear students, this is sine pi by 2 plus theta. We required cosec theta, so that will be equal to sine, it is equals to 1 upon cosec with the same angle. So this is equals to cos theta. Just we have to reciprocal this. So it is 90 plus theta, it is equals to 1 upon cos theta, and 1 upon cos is sec theta. So the correct option is sec theta of the first MCQs. So remember that we have to apply the formula, that is sine alpha plus beta. Now come to the second MCQs here. Again we have the formula cos u minus cos v, it is equals to minus 2 sine u plus v upon 2, and it is sine u minus v upon 2. So dear students, we have a simple formula here. You're supposed to remember we have 4 formulas: cos u minus cos v, cos u plus cos v, sine u plus sine v, and sine u minus sine v. So the correct option is B. Now come the third part here, 2 tangent theta over 1 minus tangent square theta. So we have the correct option is tangent 2 theta, because we have the formula tangent 2 theta, it is 2 tangent theta over 1 minus tangent square theta. So we have a formula of this. 1 degree, it is equals to pi upon 180. 1 degree, it is equals to pi upon 180. The correct option is A. Now dear students, come here, come to the next MCQs, that is fifth MCQs. Sec theta is greater than 0 and sine theta is greater than 0. Both functions are positive. When the both functions are positive, then it is lie in the first quadrant. Please remember this point. When two functions which are given to you and both are positive, whatever the functions are, sine theta, cos theta, tangent theta, cosec theta, cot theta, cosec theta. So if two functions are positive, they are in first quadrant. So the correct option of fifth MCQs is A. Now come to the sixth part, sixth MCQs here. This is 3 pi over 4, it is in radians. It is given to you in radians and we have to convert it into the degrees. So we have what is the procedure to convert radians into degree? So just we have to multiply 180 over pi. Then the radian will be converted into the degree. So this pi is cancelled out to this pi. So 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 3 multiplied by 45, 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12, 30. So this is the 135 degree is the correct option. So dear students, whatever the angle is given to you if the radian is given and we have to convert that radian into the degree, so just we have to multiply 180 over pi, the angle which we are going to convert into the degree. So just we have to multiply this angle, that is 180 upon pi, so the radian will convert into the degree. So the correct option of 6th MCQs is D. Now come to the 7th MCQs here. The 7th MCQs is, this is tangent theta cos theta. So tangent theta, it is equals to sin theta over cos theta. Cos theta cancel. So the correct the answer is sin theta. So the correct option of the 7th MCQs is sin theta. Now come to the MCQs 8th, cos 90 minus theta. So here again we have to use the formula cos alpha minus beta, it is equals to cos alpha cos beta minus plus sin alpha sin beta. We have the formula. If we have negative, then we have it is positive here. This is the formula cos alpha minus beta, it is equals to cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. So just we have to put their values here, that is 90 minus theta. So this is cos 90 degrees cos theta plus sin 90 degrees sin theta. So cos 90 is 0 and sin 90 is 1. So this is sin theta. 0 multiplied by anything, the result is 0. So the answer is sin theta. So the correct option of the 8th MCQs is sin theta. Now come to the next MCQs here, that is 9th MCQs. This is 3 power cos theta, it is equals to 1. Then what will be the value of theta here? So dear students, focus here. Focus here. We can write down 3 cos theta 3 power 0. Power 0 with any variable, it is equals to 1. So anything with power 0, it is equals to 1. Why we have to write down 3 power 0? Because when the bases are same, then their power will be equal to each other. So the bases are same, power will be equal to each other. So this is the cos inverse 0. So the cos inverse 0 is 90 degree. So the correct option is C, that is 90, pi by 2. Pi by 2 means 90. 90 or pi by 2. So the correct option of the 9th MCQs is pi by 2. Now come to the 10th MCQs here, and the 10th MCQs is the arc length of a unit circle with the central angle is pi upon 6. What is the unit circle? Unit circle is that circle in which we have a radius equals to 1 unit. So we have the formula S is equals to r theta or L is equals to r theta. So what is r here? R, it is 1 unit because it is a unit circle. And what is the angle here? Angle is theta, that is pi upon 6. So what will be the L or S? It is equals to S is equal to r theta or L is equals to r theta. So what is r? 1. What is theta? Pi upon 6. Angle is pi upon 6. So this is equals to 0.52. Pi will be equal to 3.14. So 3.14 divided by 6, 0.52. So the correct option of 10th MCQs is A. Okay, students, now come to the 11th MCQs. 1 plus cos theta, it is equals to 2 cos square theta by 2. Again, this is, we have a formula. So 1 plus cos theta, it is equals to 2 cos square theta by 2. And if it is equal to 1 minus cos theta, so 1 minus cos theta, it is equals to 2 sin square theta by 2. So please remember these two formulae there. So the correct option of the 11th MCQs is 2 cos square theta by 2. And once again listen, if it is 1 minus cos theta by 2, so 1 minus cos theta by 2 will be equals to 2 sin square theta by 2. So the correct option of this 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. Now come to the 12th part here. This is sec theta over cosec theta. So sec theta means 1 upon cos theta and cosec theta means 1 over sin theta. So this is 1 upon cos theta. So reciprocal 1 upon sin theta, it will be sin theta upon 1. So this is sin theta over cos theta, it is equals to tangent theta. So the correct option is B of this situation here. Now this is the 13th part here. If cos theta is greater than 0 and greater than 0 means the function is positive and the less than 0 means the function is negative. So here cos theta is greater than 0, that means cos theta positive. Sin theta is less than 0, then theta lie in which quadrant, or the terminal arm lie in which quadrant. So here, dear students, we have discussed a very important technique here. This is 0 degree, 90, 180, 270 and 360. Here we have 6 trigonometric functions: sin theta, cos theta, tangent theta. Their reciprocals are cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. Sin theta, its reciprocal is cosec theta. Cos theta, its reciprocal is sec theta. Tangent theta, its reciprocal is cot theta. That means we have total 6 trigonometric functions here. We are going to discuss the technique if cos theta is greater than 0 and sin theta is less than 0. So what strategy we have to adopt to find out the answer easily in 13th MCQs here. So first quadrant, this is the first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant and this is the fourth quadrant. In first quadrant all 6 trigonometric functions are positive. In second quadrant, sin theta and its reciprocal cosec theta is positive and remaining 4 are negative. In the third quadrant, tangent theta is positive and its reciprocal cot theta is positive and remaining all trigonometric functions are negative. In the fourth quadrant, cos theta and its reciprocal sec theta is positive and the remaining all 4 functions are negative. So we can remember this technique: all senior take charge. So remember this technique, then you will easily find out the correct answer here. Now all senior take charge. The functions which are written to you, they are positive, their reciprocals are positive and remaining functions are negative. So here this is cos theta is greater than 0, that means cos theta is positive, and sin theta is less than 0, that means the sin theta is negative. So cos positive, sin negative, this is the fourth quadrant. Cos positive, sin negative, this is the fourth quadrant. So it's mean D option is correct. So the 13th MCQs is D option is correct. Now come to the 14th part here. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to what? So we have a basic formula, dear students, please remember this one. 1 plus cot square theta, it is equals to cosec square theta. So when we have to shift this cot square theta to the right hand side, so it is cosec square theta minus cot square theta. So cosec square theta minus cot square theta, it is equals to 1. So the correct option cosec square theta minus cot square theta, and the correct option is A. Now here 15th MCQs, that is cos alpha by 2, it is equals to plus minus of which function here. So if you have to focus 15th MCQs with 11th MCQs, we have the similarity here. So this is, again we have the half angle formula. Again we have the half angle formula here. So cos alpha by 2, it is equals to plus minus 1 plus cos alpha over 2. This is the correct option of the 15th MCQs here. Now come to the 16th MCQs here. This is sine 5 theta, sine 5 theta and sine 3 theta. So this is the formula of sine u plus sine v. It is equals to 2 sine u plus v over 2 cos u minus v over 2. This is the basic formula of sine u sum to product. This is the formula sum to product. So u means 5 theta and v means 3 theta. Just we have to put their values. We will get the correct option here. So this is 2 5 theta plus 3 theta upon 2 cos 5 theta minus 3 theta upon 2. So this is 2 sine 5 plus 3, that is 8, 8 upon 2, that is 4 theta. 5 theta minus 3 theta, that is 2 theta, 2 over 2 will cancel out. So this is the cos theta. So the correct option is 2 sine 4 theta cos theta. That is the D part is correct of 16th MCQs here. Again, dear students, focus here. This is 2 sine alpha cos beta product to sum. So product to sum, so this is the formula 2 sine alpha cos beta, it is equals to, the correct option is A of the 17th MCQ. This is the formula here. This is the formula of 2. If we have to add these two results, applying the formula, we will get the answer of this question. So here, now do the correction in 17th part here. The correct option is B, that is sine alpha plus beta and plus sine alpha minus beta. If you have to add these, open these formula and sum them, you will get the answer 2 sine alpha cos beta. So please do the correction in 17th part, not the A part correct. Correct part is B of 17th MCQs here. Now come to the 18th part here, that is tangent theta by 2. Tangent theta by 2, it is equals to 1 minus cos theta by 2. And remember that, dear students, tangent theta by 2 half angle, it is equals, we have two equivalent formulas for this situation here. So this is tangent theta by 2, it is equals to 1 minus cos theta over sin theta. This is the basic formula of tangent theta by 2. Tangent theta by 2, it is also equals to, we have the same situation here also. This is 1 minus 19th part here, tangent theta by 2, we have B part correct. That means tangent theta by 2, it is equals to 1 minus cos theta over sin theta, as well 1 plus cos theta over sin theta. So do this correction in the 18th part. A option is correct. In the 19th part, B option is correct. Tangent theta by 2, it is equal to this formula also and this formula also. And the last MCQs, that is 1 degree, it is equals to 60 minutes here. This is the last MCQs. Dear students, we have discussed very important, most important MCQs of chapter 9 and 10. Please do the practice And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz.